guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to create and join a private server for completely free in Grow a Garden. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the home page. From here you can go ahead and look for the search bar at the top and go ahead and just type in Grow a Garden. Once you find Grow a Garden, it should be the game with the most amount of players, obviously. And once you go ahead and click on into it, you can go ahead and click on the click on the friends list right here. It should be next to the three dots and next to the play button. You want to go ahead and click on create private server. Now from create private server, all you want to do is go ahead and just name your private server. It could be anything, and then you want to go ahead and click on buy now, because it does say create a private server for free. So you can go ahead and do that. It will say you have successfully bought the private server. You can go ahead and customize it and do whatever you want. But anyways, go back to private servers, go back to create or private server. It should say you already have one, and then you can go ahead and join it from here. Now that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.